Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Deli drawer shelf frame in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Deli drawer shelf frame. This Deli drawer shelf frame is mounted on the bottom of the glass shelf supporting the Deli drawer. The main reason to replace the Deli drawer shelf frame is if it's broken and won't keep the drawer in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Alright, next I'm going to slide out and remove this Deli drawer. Pull it out, lift up, and slide out. Next I'm going to remove the shelf so we can replace the frame. Okay, so let's bring that shelf to the table. Turn it over so we can remove the frame. Right there, so it just slides out. This is your old Deli drawer shelf frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I can install this new frame in. We've got a groove here on this side and a groove here on this side. And we've got grooves here on these edges of the glass shelf. So we are going to interact them all. We need to do it at the same time. Put it from this side. And we're going to slide it in. And put it here at the edge. It was on this side. And now I'm going to install the shelf back in. And now I'm going to slide this Deli drawer back in. I'm going to put it on the rails here. And push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.